Will this car seat fit in the brand new 2022 Lexus LX600? Find out if it'll fit the fam. Checking out the Cover King seat covers to figure out, are they really able to fit the fam? As easy as that. This is the new Civic Si, and let me tell you, this thing is as big as some of the Accords were in the mid-90s. What's up with that, man? Civic, y'all need to be small, right? This guy could totally fit the fam and take you far away from your fam if it has to. Well, here I am in my hotel room after the show. I forgot to do a sign off from the actual show floor, so I'm flush with merch, including some cool stuff that you'll have to look for some reviews on soon. Thanks so much for watching and finding out what'll fit the fam.